Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to Forza Motorsport. This is my second race, Mugello Circuit. So, since my first race, I had some points to spend. And I did a auto upgrade. So you can go in and tune it yourself, or you can click auto upgrade and it will give you like a balanced upgrade. And I figure that might be the smartest way to go now. And it shows you a little chart that balances, so you stay balanced between, I think the categories were like braking, turning, acceleration, and top speed, perhaps, if I remember right. So you want to stay balanced. You can definitely custom tune it yourself if you have a kind of a favorite, or if you want to be top speed, you can handle it. But I think I'm going to go with just balanced for now. In this case, my practice session I didn't record. It was much better. The Mustang handles better. I still went off track once. But just those upgrades. So if you're planning to get the game, or you have the game, hang in there. Get through that first race. Take those upgrade points and then do some upgrades, and you'll be, I think, pleasantly surprised. And I just feel like I will eventually have a car that handles like a dream, I hope. So in this case, it's better than it was, and I'm going to go ahead and do my second race. We'll see how we do here. Looks like my starting position is much better. Shifted into second just a little bit too soon there. And I'm 8th. And if I'm careful, I should be able to work my way up. Just have to remember these guys are pretty aggressive. They don't care too much for me or that I'm there. Whoa, and I have to really... I need to drive like they're not there. I need to watch that blue line. That's the best line. Oh, whoa. Okay. So much different when you're racing than practicing. All these guys are in your way. But if I stick to that best line, hit my marks, shift when I need to shift. At seventh position, I just got to remember where I'm at on the track and not get distracted. I should be able to work my way up through 7 positions, I would think, in 4 laps. And so, squirrely. Okay. So I just need to remember how I did this in practice. Also, I learned some things about segments. Segments are important parts of the track, sections or segments of the track where you can really catch up, make up some time. So it'll give you segment scores and tell you how you're doing. I could go ahead and pass these guys here. That's excellent. So, I mean, my top speed is rocking it. So as long as I can not drive like an idiot and be careful here. There's another Mustang in front of me. Love that. But I think I'm faster than he is. Come on, let's go. Okay, careful. It's all about just driving carefully. And definitely with the upgrades, I am not losing traction like I was. My back end stays, for the most part, stays where it should be. Yeah, I mean, much better. So I just feel like I have a little bit more control. However, it does feel like the front end is a little bit looser now with whatever upgrades they put on there. I did notice that one of the upgrades that's locked, I'm in second, so I need to pass this guy in 2 laps, so really should be no problem. Excellent. Okay, that's good. I mean, my second race, I'm already in first place. Now, that did not happen in Assetto Corsa. All right, coming into a really sharp turn here. So if I'm in first, so I don't even need to really stress it. Just tuck down into 3rd gear, take this corner nice and sharp, stay on the perfect line. I don't have a rear view mirror, so I really don't know how far back they are, but I can look at the map and I can see the dots. That's really all I can see. And I've got a couple dots back there, but they're a ways back. So I think I've got it as long as I don't push it. You know, at the same time, you probably also want to, you know, do your best, earn some points, because I think I also my car levels are still going up for things that I do well. But it definitely feels like, especially with a good steering wheel, it feels like you are racing. And even though these aren't live people, I still feel a little bit of adrenaline, like I'm in a race and I want to do well. I've heard that those who play multiplayer, and they're like in a league, and you have like scheduled weekly races and you practice for those races all week. I guess it's pretty intense because you show up for the race and it's the race. So I can't imagine. I maybe want to try that sometime. I imagine the stress and the anxiety and the excitement is a whole nother level. You know, for the most part, you can expect AI cars to drive a certain way, but I've been a little bit surprised by these cars because they will bump into you on purpose and make little swerves. So it's a smarter AI than I'm used to in computer cars. But as you can see right now, all I need to do is hang on. This is the 4th lap. Just don't do anything stupid. I've got no white dots behind me, which tells me I'm heading in the right direction. I don't want to start thinking, well, maybe I need to make the difficulty harder yet. I mean, I'm kind of thinking that in my head, like I should not be winning this race so soon. But that's kind of the whole point. So maybe do a whole season like this, or a whole series at least. All right, let's see what that does to my points. So I see I'm still not in first place overall. I am in 4th place overall. For points, I went up 8 positions because of that race. That's pretty good. And there's only one more race in the series, so there's no guarantee that I'm going to come out first. I have to go up 4 more positions, or 3 more positions. All right. So there's our 3rd place driver, 2nd place driver, and yours truly with the gold helmet. Oh, I'm wearing my correct suit now. That's good. Let's see what we get for rewards. $6,500 driver XP. We've got 4,000 practice XP, race finish 3,550, VIP bonus 7,550. I don't know what a rule set bonus is, 50, and grid bonus 300. Grid bonus. That must be because I started in 7th. So you get a bonus for that. So let's see what we got. New driveline, new ignition, new tires. That could be a big one too. So we're gonna go ahead and check that stuff out.
Let's get going.
Okay. Well, I think what we'll do here is I'm not sure if I'll continue, but I definitely want to do those upgrades. So performance, and then here's where you can do your quick upgrade. So quick upgrade is F, or click here, and it's going to balance things out, which I think is probably just the way to go. So let's do quick upgrade. So it calculates those upgrades for me, and then over in the right corner we will see, oh, here we see, hey, these are the changes it's going to make. You can see it's just a couple point bump in each category. Nothing in speed this time. Maybe they're saying I don't really need it. Nothing in handling. And nothing in braking. So this is all about acceleration. That's interesting. Not really sure I love that, but it's trying to keep me balanced. I don't know if I agree with that, because if I'm 5 at speed, I'm still pretty low on my handling, and I think I need to be better on my handling.
Now that we have some new parts
yeah, no, I'm going to do this manually and try to improve my handling, because I think my top speed is doing just fine, thank you. And I'm going to work on my handling, and then we will come back for race number 3, and I'll let you know what upgrades I came up with. So for now, Mr. Johns is out.